Hello. So today I'm going to be making a polar bear lip balm. I'm starting off with my lip balm container lid and covering it with some foil. Now I have some white polymer clay and I'm just going to take off a bit of it and save that for the ears. With the rest of the clay, I'm just going to start kneading it to soften it up, and now I'm just going to flatten it out. Once your clay is all flattened out, you can then get your lid that is covered in foil and smash the clay around the edges of the lid to cover it completely. And you're going to do the same thing with the container part. Now you're going to take that third that you had earlier and cut it in half, and you're going to roll each of those halves into balls. Once you have your balls, you want to really firmly attach them to the polar bear head without smashing them. Now I'm just going to use a needle tool to help blend them further. Now, here's how to make the lip balm. You're going to take a tablespoon and fill it half full of coconut oil and the other half with beeswax pellets. And I'm just melting these over a mini double boiler with some lip balm pigment. Once it's all melted, you can pour it into your lip balm container. After you've baked your clay, it's now time to paint it. So I'm going to paint eyes by first drawing on 3 dots, then connecting the dots. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. And here is the finished polar bear lip balm. I did the rest of the face off camera, but here it is now. Thanks for watching!